Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to come back with something fun and trending. So today I'm going to be mixing all of my foundations, and I'm super duper excited about this because I pretty much like all of my foundations. There's some that I'm kind of iffy on. The only thing I'm worried about is it's going to be too dark. I know that for sure because I tend to buy a shade darker, and with all of those shades combined, it's just going to be very dark. So I'm going to be excluding my stick foundations as well because I don't want to cut up my stick foundations. It just wouldn't be good, and I forgot to use primer. So let me just prime my face real quick. And I have somewhere to go after this, so like I'm really hoping that it looks good. If it doesn't, I'll just redo it, whatever. So I have a little mixing bowl, and I'm going to use probably the end of a brush to mix this. Yeah, I'll just use the end of a brush to just mix it with, so it's whatever. So let's get into this. Alright, so I'm just going to do a little drop of each. So first I'm going to be taking my Catrice Liquid HD foundation and just drop that in there. Then next I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. Should probably shake these all up, but I'll just do that as I go. Then next is one I've never really tried before. I tried it once and I mixed it with something. So this is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. Then next is my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. Next is my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Can't believe I'm wasting this one, but well, it was probably too much, but oh well. Then I'm going to be putting in the Wet n Wild. I'm going to be putting in the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I don't know how to get this in here. There we go. Then my Lorac Perfection foundation. My L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover foundation. So I have 3 shades of the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I have 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to do one little pump of each. And these foundations are super dark for me, but oh well. So next is the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. And then I have 2 shades of the Dermablend, what is this called? Medium Coverage Foundation, the Liquid Camo. Oh my god, these are so dark. I'm just gonna, I have it in the shade Camel and Sienna. Like, I was tan when I got these. Next I have the CC Cream from Herborium. And I'm just gonna put that in there. It's white, but you know I need that. And then I have this one from Fiona Stiles. It is the Matte Finish Foundation. This one is literally 5 shades darker. It's in the shade 7, and I'm in the shade 2, so if that tells you anything. And then last but not least, I have the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation, which I freaking hate. But, you know, it's cool. I'm going to use it anyway. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's all of my foundations. Yes, besides my stick, but we aren't gonna be using this stick foundation. So let me find my little brush and let's just mix it all together. Actually, the shade doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's probably gonna be a little dark. It's definitely on the more yellow side, so we're just gonna see. And like these little chunks, I'm pretty sure it's from the L'Oreal Total Coverage, because it's that mousse foundation, but oh well. Alright, so let me show you my face and then we can put this on. Okay, so I got it all mixed up and oh my god, I have foundations everywhere. Alright, so let me just, oh my god, it's so yellow. That's okay. Okay, I don't know how much to use because like some of them go a pretty long way. So I'm going to be using my Morphe Y6 brush. Wish me luck. Oh my god, that's not that bad. The shade is like not bad at all. This is literally like the shade that I would go. Like I go one shade darker usually. I mean, that's just how I am, but oh my god, that's super nice. Are you sure? What? It's so nice. Guys, it's like really nice. This is beautiful. Shut up. Oh my god. Wow, it is like a beautiful, I'm super excited right now. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be too dark, but it's like perfect. I swear it's the brush. Like, it's gotta be the brush. The brush is like to die for, and it blends out anything and it makes anything look good. So it's just the brush. I wish I could save this. Like, oh my goodness. I'm blown away. I really am. And it's like full coverage. I am blown away. All right, well, let's just see how my concealer layers on top. Because that's like the, oh my god, I can't get over how pretty that was. Like, it's literally so pretty. All right, I'm just gonna blend it out with the Y6. Well, I found my new foundation. Just mix all of them, literally every single one of them together. I mean, it's pretty heavy. Like, this is a pretty heavy foundation right now that I have on. Like, I feel heavy. So, let me see how some powder will help. Just using my I'm just using my Kat Von D powder. I'm just going to set the rest of my face with some Coty Airspun. That is freaking beautiful. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. Put on bronzer and highlight and my eyes and my lips. And let me tell you, I am obsessed with this. I didn't think it was going to turn out good because of the shades. Now the formula I thought would be pretty good because I tend to like a lot of my foundations formulas, so I knew that was gonna be okay. I'm super excited. Like, if I could put this in like a little jar and like use it, like, I don't even know what to do. I will do this every day. I swear to God, I would do it every day. The only thing I see pretty wrong with it, and it's not insane, but I do feel like I'm a little bit cakey right here, which doesn't happen a lot. Usually it would be like on my nose that's more cakey. So yeah, I am super duper happy with the outcome. So like, y'all need to try this because the outcome will blow your freaking mind. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to try to continue to post. I've just been super busy. A lot has been going on in my life, so I will try the best I can to post a little bit more. I know some of you guys have been asking, like, girl, where are you at? Like, did you die or what? But no, I'm here. I'm just super busy. So I just wanted to come film this quick little video for you guys, and I'm glad I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.